Hello lovelies, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So on today we'll be making your delicious beans. These beans, as the way I cook it look like a while going, but at the same time it's still our normal beans. If you want to make your beans to be this much and yummy, why don't you come along with me? Let me teach you how I acquire this yummy delicious dish. Okay, it's very easy and easy to make. Okay, so let's begin. Let's not take this video long. Please don't forget to subscribe to see more of my amazing video. So into my pot, I'll just go ahead and add in my, okay, and I will add water. So I will add more water. The water there is not enough, so let me add more water. This is 5 cups of beans. So I'm going to boil it for 20 minutes, no, 10-15 minutes, then I will change the water. You understand? The first water you use to boil your beans, you have to change it. Normally here in this Europe, I don't know for other place, if you don't parboil the water, if you don't pour away the water, the first water you boil for the beans, the beans will become very dark. There is this dirty color that normally comes out of it. I don't really know why, so I'm going to parboil it. I'm going to boil it for like 15 minutes, then I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the beans. It has been boiling for over 15 minutes now. You can see all the old pots. This thing is dirty. So this is what I was trying to say, that these are the dirty that normally comes out of it. You can see the color has changed. So I will just go ahead and rinse off this water and add in new fresh new water. So let's go and rinse this together. So here is the beans. I will go ahead and just do it like this and pour it off. You can see the water. See the water, so dirty. So this is good. So let's wash it first. So some salt. Add in some salt for taste. I do it. So I'll just go ahead and place it back in the fire. Okay, let's continue. So as I wait for the beans to be boiling, I'll just go ahead and I'll go ahead and wash this Titus fish. I'll be frying them. I'll be frying the fish. I like eating my beans with fish, so that is why I use this fish. So I'm just going to remove all the dirt. See, at least before 1 hour I should be ready. But beans, mama mia, it takes time. Most of the ones I will buy here in Italy, hey, sometimes you will finish cooking it and it will still be strong. The beans will still be strong. I don't know, maybe it's chemical they are putting on it, I don't know. So I've washed the fish, you can see here. So I will go ahead and fry the fish as we wait for our beans to be cooking. So the beans has been boiling and you can see it's properly cooked. So how will you know that the beans is properly cooked? When you taste it, you see that it's soft. You see, you can see it's very soft now. Understand? You can press together now. Okay. So I will take it aside now. I will take the beans aside and place in my groundnut, my red palm oil. So it's already on the fire before. I have been heating it up from the other side. I don't know if you can see it very well. It's hot now, so I'll just go ahead and add in my onions. So I would like to boil until it's translucent. I will leave it for like 1 minute. Okay, then I will just go ahead and add in the remaining stuff. So let's check for it. I think it's okay. I like seeing my onions fresh on the beans. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and I'll be using bottle tomato. You can use any tomato of your choice. This is the oil I use, is the palm oil I use. I forget to show it. So this one, I bought it from African shop. So I'll just go ahead and add in the tomato. I off the gas because the fire, it was too hot. The oil was too hot. Okay. Alright. So I'll just allow it to cook for some few minutes, and I'll be right back to show you people how it look like. Okay. So be right back. Okay, so let's check the sauce now. Mama, what's the name? So here is for after 10 to 20 minutes. So I'll just go ahead and add in this catfish. I've washed it and pieces it, and some dry fish. So I'll be pouring it in now. So at this point, if you have crayfish, you can add. So I don't want to use crayfish. So that's why I'm using only catfish and dry fish. So this one will intensify the flavor. Okay, I don't want too much of a combination inside the beans. So I'm just adding in my Maggi cubes and some salt to taste. At this point, it's just a pinch of salt because I added salt to the beans already. So I'll still go ahead and add in one more Maggi cube. Okay. Finally, I'll be adding in chili pepper. Okay. I don't want it too hot. So this is it. So I will allow it to boil together for at least 10 minutes, and I will be right back to show you how we do the finishing. Hope you can see it very well. Yeah. So I'll be right back. So here is the sauce. It has been here for like 5 minutes plus. You can see it. So I will just take the sauce aside, and I will place in the beans back in the fire. Okay. Then I will go ahead and I will pour it directly inside the beans. You see the method. You know, we all have our various way of cooking. Our cooking method, you understand? So this is how I make my beans. You see it. So I'm just going to give it a proper stir. It's time to mix it together. You see it, how yummy look like. Can feel it a bit. Looks delicious. You can see. So what I will do now is I will now cover it and allow it to boil together for like 10 to 15 minutes. So after 10 to 15 minutes, I will be right back to show you how the end look like. So before then, let me just test for taste to see how it tastes like. In case you need any additional, it's perfectly okay, and it tastes very delicious. You can eat it with your bread, you can fry your dodo, your plantain, you can take it with custard, you can eat this with many stuff. There are many things that you can use beans for, you know. There are many things we can use beans for. So let me cover and I'll be right back to show you the end product of the beans. Okay. Wow. It tastes really delicious. Okay, so the beans has been here for more than 30 minutes because there was excess water. So here is it. Mamma mia. The smoke will not let us see it too. So let's wait for it to chill off. Okay. So here is the beans. Wow. Can you see how yummy it look like? Can you feel the beans? So this is how I make it. It look like what do you call it? Yoruba. This Yoruba beans we call asaro. Yes, I like my beans very soft like this, just as you are saying now. So this is how the beans look like. This is the end product of the beans. I really hope you guys really enjoy watching this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of my amazing video. Okay, all right. So this is my beans. So yummy beans, yummy delicious. Can feel it, right? Yummy delicious. Okay guys, I will see you guys on my next video. Okay, I just want people to see my camera is not doing justice to it, so my camera is not doing justice. That is why I'm just trying to shift it so people can see it very well. And see it like this. Camera didn't do justice to this my food. It look more yummy here than the one I'm seeing here. Okay now, bye, see you guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, on the notification bell, so whenever I upload new videos you will be notified. All right, I'll show you the food once I've dished it. So our beans has been saved. I hope you guys love this video. Can you see how yummy with the fish on its own? As in, this is full. I ate it with bread and I hope you guys really love it. Try this my method of cooking beans and you will really love it. And I will see you guys next on my next video. Okay, bye from me to you. Please subscribe.